sing the bumblebee
I
song.
want to finish outside.
No, that's littering. Mommy will get in trouble.
Good, Mama.
Do you want Mama to go to jail?
Put this in your mouth.
You put it in your mouth.
I don't want it.
Why not?
Because I don't like it.
Okay.
Throw it on the ground.
No.
Throw it outside.
I'll eat it.
Skanorinkadink-a-dink, skanorinkadoo. I love you. Every afternoon. I can't even sing the other part.
I love you in the morning, in the afternoon. Love you when it's bedtime, underneath the moon.
Skanorinkadink-a-dink, skanorinkadoo. I love you, you. I love you. We're gonna play soccer out here, right?
Yeah,
We're gonna play soccer.
you get to.
Okay? Can I play outside?
Not today. Remember, we already had a plan. What's our plan?
We don't go outside.
No, that's not what our plan is. What's the first thing we're going to do when we get home?
Is take a bath.
Huh? And then what?
And then eat a brownie.
No, and then Mommy's going to take a shower.
And then we're gonna put my pieces in.
Yep, and then we're going to make dinner.
And then we're gonna eat a brownie. And
Then we're going to eat dinner.
And then we're gonna eat dinner.
And then we're going to eat your brownie.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go outside.
No, and then we're going to cuddle on the couch.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go outside.
No, and then it's going to be bedtime.
Nope. It's gonna be good.
What are you eating? Are you eating bugs?
What?
Are you eating bugs?
No. Okay.
You're so crazy. You're going to bite your finger off.